At 2 p.m. this afternoon, we cut across to breaking news coming in. News on Mehul Choksi case as the Indian agencies have presented their case to the Dominican Government Council. The Enforcement Directorate and the CBI have sought impleadment in the East Caribbean High Court. Once impleaded, India can directly present its case before Dominica Court. Fast-paced developments coming in this case, and Abhishek Kapoor, our senior executive editor, tracking all the details of that is happening in Dominica at this point. Over to you, Abhishek.
Well, Suresha, a very important day, and remember, we have to get back Mehul Choksi, and agencies are there, officers are there, both from the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, as also from our mission in Trinidad and Tobago, from the MEA. And our case has been presented to the government of Dominica, and the public prosecutor there has a brief on what is India's expectation and what is India's locus. In fact, an attempt is being made that our agency gets impleaded and directly ED can present its case. Essentially, the argument is that Mehul Choksi remains an Indian citizen. More importantly, he committed the crime when he was very much in India and an Indian citizen, and his citizenship was not disputed at that time. So he's a fugitive of law so far as India is concerned, and he should be handed back to us. Also remember the public position that has been taken by the Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, that they are absolutely fine if Choksi is extradited or repatriated back to India, should help. So these are the developments expected. A, that India is ready to be impleaded and present its case before the court in Dominica. And the case is that Mehul Choksi is an Indian citizen. He did not complete the process of relinquishing the citizenship. India does not have dual citizenship. And more importantly, when he committed the crime, he was very much an Indian citizen without any dispute, and that he was in India.
Oh yes, absolutely. Mehul Choksi has not renounced citizenship, and that is the grounds on which India is going to argue. But Abhishek, when can we expect more pacey information to come in terms of the hearing to begin at what time, and how are we getting follow-ups from our sources in the agencies as well?
Well, Suresha, the hearing begins at about 6:30 p.m. India time, and written submissions have been provided by both the sides, as in by the side of Mehul Choksi and the public prosecutor of Dominica yesterday itself. And some arguments are going to take place, oral arguments, following which the court is expected to present give a judgment maybe today itself or tomorrow. So, in fact, a representative of our mission in Trinidad is also present, as I said. So, India officially present in full force, including with a charter plane, which is to bring back Mehul Choksi in case the court decides to extradite him and gives an order in favor of India.